The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where I watch? Dancehall. Alright viewers and subscribers, Dancehall Skilla is here again. Big up and respect to each and every one. Man, as I say. Alright, so I have pieces of videos that I'm going to present to you, and these pieces of videos are about a shootout that happened between police and gunmen within the parish of St. Andrew, that is within the country of Jamaica. It is said that the incident happened on the 10th of May the year 2021, and it is said that those gunmen were believed to be involved in a robbery and shooting of a businessman earlier that day. It is said that the businessman had been pronounced dead at a hospital, and it is said that sometime after that, those gunmen were traveling in a motor vehicle, and the motor vehicle had been intercepted by the police within the intersection of Hope Road and Trafalgar Road, that is within the parish of St. Andrew, that is within the country that is known as Jamaica. It is said that 2 of the 3 gunmen died as a result of the gun battle. However, there seems to be some sketchy information about the 3rd gunman. According to some things that I read in some news articles, it is said that the 3rd gunman had been brought into police custody, and according to some things that I read in some news articles, it is said that the 3rd gunman escaped. You see? Anyways, if I get any confirmed information about the incident, I will leave comments in the comment section of this video and keep you up to date and posted, alright? Now, I'm going to put together and present to you pieces of videos that shows some things that happened during and after the shootout between police and gunmen within St. Andrew, Jamaica on the 10th of May the year 2021. Now, before I present these pieces of videos to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in these pieces of videos might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Now, here are the pieces of videos. Take a look, listen, and observe.
I want going out there. I'm team high out.
Almost dead. Almost dead.
See police up by a tree there, sir. See him up by a tree, see man?
I look for the man for the building top. See a man for the building top, eh?
Shootout.
See police pilot him going out there, so like out in the road out, so. I wonder if I appreciate them rap.
We see a couple shot liquor all the while ago.
Yeah. Wipe for all night and everything. On the mustard. Somebody get the collection. I saw them at school. When you were at
Can't get shoot up. But I can't get shoot up.
Shut up,
Like a man in there, no move, brother. Move, no man, move. Move, no brother. What's that? What's that painting gun?
10 people at a Boulder supermarket on March 22.
Now, for you, my viewers and subscribers, to get a good understanding about the incident, I'm going to present a audio to you, my viewers and subscribers. I'm not sure if this audio is a edited audio or if it is not a edited audio. However, the person who you can hear talking in this audio is said to be Senior Superintendent of Police within the country of Jamaica, who goes by the name of Stephanie Lindsay, and she gave some information about the incident. All right, now here's the audio. Take a listen and observe.
Today, a group of men driving a white Axia went to a business place on Shootout Road where they shot and robbed the owner of the business. He was taken to hospital where he was pronounced dead. Once the police got the report, they went in pursuit of these individuals, and with the help of the Jamaica High cameras, they made contact with the men in the vicinity of Hope Road, where a shootout ensued. The men fired at the police, and during the process, a police service vehicle was damaged, and at the end of the shooting, 2 of the 3 men were found with gunshots. 2 firearms were seized. We understand that one of the firearms is actually one that was robbed from the businessman that was killed. But we have to commend the quick response of the police that were actually in the area, coupled with the technology that they were able to apprehend these persons within minutes of committing this robbery and murder.
People, may I tell you, Jamaica run away, no? You know Jamaica run away, no? Alright, here's where I'm going to leave it, viewers and subscribers. Big up and respect to each and everyone. And until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. My name is Dancehall Skilla. No big up on yourself. That's it.
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch?
Dancehall Skilla!
Yeah, man. Hey, yo, Skilla! You are watching Dancehall, skilla, entertainment.